So in this video, as you can see, this phone is not charging. I think we got out most of it. This one is a Samsung Galaxy S10, and this port is very fragile, so we can't create any damage. I just saw some dot inside. Let me see if we can zoom in to see it. Yeah. So what we want to do here, we want to clean this out. So what we want to do, this port is fragile, and this one is on the motherboard, and these ports are normally hard to replace. You gotta basically take apart the entire phone, so doing this is kind of risky, and we don't want to create any problem with the charging port. You gotta be so careful here. I think that we're looking better here. I am not seeing anything inside, but I'm going to just run the tweezer in the different corners and give it a little rub on the pins to clean them off. So if you look at that now we can see what we're doing here. Okay, so this guy is a construction worker. Every time you put your charger in, it's just pushing all the dirt in the phone. It's just compacting the dirt into the phone. The more we dig, is the more dirt we are seeing. Wow. Every time he put the charger in, he's pushing in the dirt. Yeah. It's a very risky thing to do right now. Yeah, this is gonna work brand new when we're finished. some little bit of dirt left back into the phone, right? But most of it is gone. So I can actually say that we can get the charger to go in, but it's still not in. Still, look at this. It should not be like that. So there's some dirt inside somewhere. As you can see, the phone taking a while to light up, and every time you push up, you're pushing in the dirt in the phone. Okay, so there are more dirt inside. Look at that. I'm seeing some scratches around the port. I wanna believe in that maybe someone tried to clean the port before. Wow, it's kind of unbelievable. Wow. Ah, kind of unbelievable to believe that all that is inside there. To be honest with you, I've seen worse. I've seen worse. See, every time you put your charger in, Every time you push your charger in, every time you put your charger in, you're just pushing in dirt into your charging port. I am not just randomly putting in my tweezer, but there are certain areas of the charging port that I am cleaning out, which is the corners. The closer you go to the port, you have to be very, very careful. Yeah. Still not snapping. It's still not snapping. So we know we have more dirt to clean out. It's much better than how it was, but normally when you plug these in and you notice it is slipping out, yeah, should snap. When you plug in, it should snap, right? You're still seeing dirt. So once the corners are cleared, right? Once the corners are cleared, make sure that we don't have any buildup in the corners. So let me clean out. Okay, first here. Well, as you can see, we are all the way in, and we can see that most of it is out. What probably left back is some residue, right? Which is a little bit, and it's not dropping out or anything. Look at that. Once you plug it in, it's in and it's charging. Actually, my desk is very, very dirty. It is very, very dirty. If you see what came out, look at all that rubbish, dirt that came out of this charging port. It's unbelievable. If you didn't see, you will never have believe. So what I'm going to do now is try a different charger in it. You should hear it click, like snap in. It's not snapping as hard as I thought it would, but it's still going in. It's still going in. So a job well done. The port is nowhere new, but as you can see, all the charging issues are gone. The phone is charging flawlessly and it's well cleaned out. So yeah,